Hey guys, welcome back to an Queen Form video. In today's video, we're talking about Metro by T-Mobile and how now they're allowing you to get a free phone promotion even online. Before, you had to go in store with a valid ID and everything to get a free phone promotion. So, also, I want to apologize for the other day's video. For some reason, the audio was not working. I should have checked it. I was off the iPad when I was actually at work. So, yeah, that's probably what happened. Versus here in the computer, I have my whole setup and everything, and I know it works. So, yeah. But let's get into it, guys. So it looks like a Galaxy A15 5G. So this is pretty big news. Like I said, finally looks like you buy phones online with the port and get them for free. So it says, of course, this is by bestofyounknow.com. So check them out. It says Metro by T-Mobile is now offering free phones to customers who port their numbers online. Previously, the provider only offered free phone deals in store for customers porting their numbers. That's true. You had to go into a store with a valid ID to get these free phone promos. You could always buy phones through Metro by T-Mobile's website at full cost or even an upgrade, but not free. The provider only offers free phone deals in store for customers porting their numbers. So it says while online shoppers could only get free phones if they obtained a new number. So there you go. So you could get a free phone online, but it would have to be a new number. But if you wanted to port your number, you had to go to the store. So that's what it's saying. It's not clear if this will be a permanent change. So, yeah. It says Metro by T-Mobile former policy is not allowing deeply discounted deals to online shoppers porting a number. Was a rather, I would definitely say a rather weird kind of situation, because every other carrier owned prepaid brands always offered basically these deals for porting in. Boost Mobile did it, Cricket did it. Or you got deep discount. So it says AT&T's Cricket Wireless led the way in the area, often making a generous number of phones available for free switchers, which is true. Cricket's always had wild good promos. Now, let's say Metro by T-Mobile as well has always had good port-in deals as well, but usually they want you to go to a store. Same thing with Boost Mobile. So it says at the time of the writing, T-Mobile has not made an official announcement about their new online switcher deals. It's not clear why they have made this change. I'm guessing to boost sales, to tell the truth. Now, after holding out for so many years, however, slowly subscriber growth likely plays a role. So, with Metro by T-Mobile definitely growing, every year, and when subscribers, and of course Metro by T-Mobile being a big thing that helps boost T-Mobile's numbers and everything, it shows that it does make big impact. But it says T-Mobile's fourth quarter 2023 earnings showed that their full year prepaid additions were down year over year. In 2022, they reported 338,000 net adds, while in 2023 it dropped to 282,000. So they probably saw that it was up, but then it went down. It's going down, and they're like, let's do something about this. Let's forget about this. Oh, you don't have to go to store. They need to bump up those numbers, because if subscribers are going down, guys, that doesn't look good for a company. So they want to get more subscribers. It makes the company look good, the investors, and it's more attractive to buyers and consumers and everybody. So it says it's important to note that T-Mobile counts high-speed internet customers as part of their prepaid additions, so the actual growth from phone plan subscribers is likely even lower. Oh God. It says slowing prepaid growth is also likely a reason why T-Mobile currently has an offer on a tablet to buy Mint Mobile. Offer on the table to buy Mint Mobile. So it says T-Mobile prepaid division has also seen decline ARPUs over the last year. In first quarter of 22, the number was at 39.19. Now a 2-year high, and 38.76. Wow. So it's definitely declined. So pretty cool. Well, not cool. You know what I mean? It says Metro by T-Mobile's website doesn't exactly make it clear which devices are available for free or deeply discounted with a number port. However, over half a dozen offers that I looked at were available online with a number port, and better deals were even offered for number ports versus getting a new number. So of course they're going to give you a better deal if you bring your number over than just get a new number, because anybody can get a new number. But if you port your number in from a competing carrier, you're likely attached to that number. So they want to give you something, it's more enticing for them to attract you because most likely you're going to stick with them. So it says by the accounts, it looks like over 24 phones are available to online switchers at a steeply discount, with many being free. Some free phone offers include the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G, Moto G Stylus 5G, and an iPhone 11. Ooh, definitely get that iPhone 11, I would say. So not bad at all. Like I said, definitely go for that iPhone 11 out of all of them. If you're Apple, if not, get the Samsung, I guess. But pretty cool. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Please comment, rate, subscribe. More videos come your way. Like I said, I do apologize for that audio mistake. I don't know what happened there. So